How long Temu takes to deliver. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to discuss how long does Temu take to deliver, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you've ordered something and then you've been wondering how long does Temu actually take to deliver, it's actually quite simple to figure this out. Now first of all, there are two variants over here. One is that whether it is a national order, which means that the order that you made within your own country border, or whether it is a order that you made outside of your border, which could be an international order. Now in this case, if you want to track your order though, you can just hit the orders and accounts tab and go to your orders tab over here. You should be able to track all of your orders that you would be able to find it here. Now in case you're wondering, the national order that you've made within the border usually takes up to about a week or two, but if it's an international order, there's really no guarantee, because sometimes something is going to get locked up, they're going to get closed down, and that's the reason why this happens. That could well take over a month or maybe two, at the maximum of 3 months, depending upon where you live in. That also plays a very important factor here. So hope this video helped to clear the confusion. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.